how to make the greatest guacamole, and my #1 calorie saving tip. You ready? Get started? Let's do it. So I like to prep some vegetables. I love having some red onion, finely chopped. Onion adds all that zest and fresh flavor and a little bit of spice. And then jalapeno to make it even spicier because we like it hot in here. I like everything finely diced. Gives it a good mouthfeel. And I like my guacamole chunky. How do you like your guacamole? Here's my #1 calorie saving tip for guacamole. So I love chips, but if I have one chip, I will eat all the chips. I love to do it this way. And they'll do this for me at restaurants too. So I ask for cucumbers and I slice them like chips. Save thousands of calories and get all the deliciousness of the guacamole. And of course, first we should chop up the lime because we're gonna use some fresh lime juice. You need to have that acidity and it'll also keep it from browning so fast. Is it gonna be a good one? Oh, it's perfect. It's a good day. If you're gonna leave this overnight, the pit will help it not brown as much. Okay, so I like my avocado, my guacamole chunky. So I'm not gonna do too much mashing. Fresh tomatoes make it so nice too. Give it some extra color. Look at all that color. All right, so you're just gonna add this to your mashed avocado as much as you like. No measuring, no weighing, no monitoring, no judgment. There was some fresh cilantro in here as well. I like a lot of this stuff. It's almost like a salad with some avocado, really. And of course, we're gonna add the lime. So I like to have the fresh lime juice when I can, mixed to combine. That's it, simple, delicious, fresh, and super healthy. So here's how I do it, my big calorie saving tip. Take a cucumber, top it with lots of guac. Try it, let me know what you think.